ready to make meat slaw in mushroom sauce. I'm the Ketoing Viking and I'm serious about ketoing. So let's go. Safety's first. Gotta make sure I slice nobody. Okay. In our skillet, we are going to melt some butter. We're going to add turkey. We're going to brown this all up. I am using ground turkey, but you can use ground beef, ground pork. If you really want to, you can use ground elk, ground moose. It is completely up to you, even ground chicken. Okay, we are going to make a hole in the middle, like so. And we are going to add a shiitake amount of mushrooms. And we are now going to stir this and let that simmer. Oh, they're flying around. That's okay. I'd fly too if I was in a hot pan. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. And after about 5 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to add our cream. And then we stir and we let simmer. Okay, we're going to simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring about every 2 to 3 minutes. And this has been simmering for about 18 minutes. Been stirring it occasionally, and it looks really good. Now we're going to add our spices. First, we are going to add white pepper, a little bit of paprika, some black garlic salt, and a little bit of lava salt. And we are going to stir this all up. First, you can add some onion. You can add various vegetables. What I like to do is I like to go to the store and grab coleslaw mix. This is broccoli and carrot coleslaw mix. And we are going to just stir that in and leave it set for 5 minutes to finish simmering. Make sure all the sides are down. The sauce gets thick, that's for sure. Alright, it's been about 5 more minutes and it looks done. I'm satisfied with it. We're going to turn off the stove and let it sit for about a minute before we serve it up. And we will go ahead and try this out. Oh, it looks absolutely delicious. Okay, here we go. It looks absolutely delicious. Hot. Hold up. Hold that thought. Need some more dragon tears. Okay. One more. Butter. Creamy, rich, a little bit salty. You can add any spices you want, but this is perfect the way it is. It is delicious. Lycka till. Skål!